Hello, good day teachers, good day staffs, and students. Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. We are going to be focusing on the student portal. We're going to be focusing on the student portal. First thing you do is to enter your school ID. After entering your school ID, you will be prompt, you will see the details of your school. You see the details of your school, and you'll be prompted to enter your student ID. So you'll be prompted to enter your student ID. Sorry, that's wrong. You'll be prompted to enter your student ID. So after entering your student ID, you enter your password and you will be logged in. In some seconds, you'll be logged in, and wow, we are in. So you can see on the dashboard here, we have performance analysis. We have performance analysis where we see per week how a child is doing in school. So all the class activities for the week for all the subjects is calculated, is aggregated, and an overall figure is given. So we can trace the child's performance weekly. So a teacher can look at this to see how a child is actually faring in school, whether the child is doing well, whether they are progressing or they are not progressing, and to know the necessary steps to take. So as you can see, this is just 2 weeks that was filled here. Just 2 weeks that was filled here. If we go into performance here, you will see that there is no much data filled in here. There is no much data filled in here, as this is a demo application. This is a demo application, but that's how it works. You can view every session, whatever child session or term the child have been through in the school. So you can look at it, load it, and you will see everything here. But from the dashboard, you can always see a graphical representation of how a child is performing. The parents can see it. This is important. The parents, you are giving the parents enough data to see how their child is doing, which is a very good one. Now let's go to CBT module. Let me walk you through the CBT module, how you can take computer-based tests as a student. Now, if you can see, we have a lot of tests. We have about 4 tests, sample tests here, and the first 3, it's not due to take. They have been set for the 25th of March 2023, and today is just the 16th of March. But we have a test here, the last test here, which is for literacy. It's a spelling test, whatever, for literacy, and is scheduled for the 23rd. It's scheduled for 11:23, and it's already time. That's why you can see it shows you the action button to take the test. Now just click this button here to take the test, and automatically you will see the instruction for the test. Answer all questions, and each question carries 10 points. So 2 questions. So we're expected to get 20 points, and is supposed to run for 30 minutes. And you can see the timer here. The timer is a countdown to 30 minutes. It's a countdown from 30 minutes to 0. So once it hits 0, if you're not done with the test, it automatically submits the test on its own and show you your result. Now, let's answer this question. A is a consonant sound, true or false? That's false. And one of these starts with, I'm sorry, this is an error. One of these starts with a vowel sound. And, right? So let's submit this test and we'll see the score. So submission successful, we have 20 marks, right? We have 20 marks. So you can see the test is now showing taken. This test is taken already. We cannot take the test anymore. 20/20, while the rest are still waiting, right? We are still waiting for the time to take this test. So that's how you can take a test. It's pretty simple. It's very, very easy. Now I can show you how you can also check your result. You can also check your result by going to the session 2022-2023. Let's check the first semester result. And we load the result. So you can see this is first semester result, and there is no image here. There is no image here, so you cannot see. So if the child's pictures are uploaded, his passport is uploaded, you will see his image here, and you can check the overall results. So we have the total score, which is this, and then we have the average, the overall average, and the overall grade, which is A, is coming out an A, and his attendance for that semester, attendance record, and the next resumption date for that particular term. I'm sorry. You can see the name of the child, the student ID of the child, and the sex, and some other information, and the psychomotor information, and the rest. You can decide to just print this result. You can decide to just print this result. Very easy like this. You can see that you can just print this result and you have a copy, or you can choose to just ignore, because it's always here. Another thing you can do on the student portal is you can create a support ticket, and this is also possible in the parent portal. It's also possible in the parent portal. You can create a parent ticket. So for example, we can talk about student performance. You can contact the school regarding performance. Hi, I've noticed my child my child's performance is not improving. It's not improving. What can be done? So once we create the support ticket, automatically you see the ticket is created. The ticket is created for a particular child, and you can always view this ticket, right? You can always view this message and continue conversation with the school when they reply you. For example, you can say, hello, what's the update? Right? So it's just like a chat system. You can keep chatting with the school, keep communicating with the school. And so, right? Very, very simple. Just an inbuilt chat system where you can communicate with the school, and the school will reply your questions, every questions that you have. Now, the e-learning feature is being updated, so it's going to be released very, very soon, and we'll see how we can maximize that for the benefit of our children, to see them learn at ease. So this CBT feature, you can take this test anywhere, instead of letting children just relax and maybe waiting for the last day before coming to school, before doing their assignments. You can give them assignment and set time. You teach them how to work with time. You can give them a set time to answer the assignment while they're at home. They can be very, very busy answering questions during holiday, and you can engage them. And tests like this is always taken and can be applied as their CA in school or their examinations. So thank you very much. I know you might have some questions. Please don't just contact us, and we'll be glad to help you. Whatever it is that's your concern, we'll be glad to help you. And the software is pretty simple, and you will benefit from this. Now, from the parent portal, you will see how you can pay your school fees and how you can take advantage of more other features like admission and the rest. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you have learned a thing or two, and we are glad that you subscribed to our software. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.